Hi everyone, I'm Christopher Thornycroft with Redwood Logistics and welcome to the Redwood Rundown for the week of October 24th, 2022. Well, it's spooky season right now. We are getting closer to Halloween. Halloween in the Midwest means that you put coats, jackets, sweaters, everything you can think of over your kids' Halloween costumes as they go out trick-or-treating in 30-degree weather. We're hoping it's going to be a little bit different this year. One thing that we know is not different is the trend that we've been noticing recently of the outbound tender volume index is a measurement of demand in the market. And we can tell from that measurement of demand that demand continues to fall. There's been a lot of conjecture online as to where consumer spending is actually going to fall, what's going to happen. From the front lines, what we continue to see is weakening consumer demand. We are seeing the Fed really pilot the economy towards that weakening demand in order to cool off inflation. As this is happening, we've seen the expansion of fleets. So as fleets have continued to expand, as they're buying new equipment and most likely looking to sell some of that older used equipment back into the market, they continue to add to those fleets, add those owner operators who are coming aboard. And now the outbound tender volume index has dropped below 3 to 1 to 2.46 to 1. That's actually the lowest that we've seen since February of 2020 when you exclude our COVID months of April and May of 2020. So clearly, we're really getting to a spot in which we are firmly in that oversupply segment of the market. Nothing surprising there. It is likely that carriers are going to try to hold on, hoping for some sort of spot lift that will take place in November, December. And then after that, and really once we get past January, you're going to be looking at a lot of carriers starting to cycle out of the market. Not a great place to be if you're an owner operator or if you are a smaller carrier. This is a tough environment. Obviously, we want to partner with those owner operators and those small carriers and give them as much safe haven as we can, because we know that capacity is going to be valuable again when this market does turn. That's all. I'm Christopher Thornycroft. Hope you have a happy Halloween. Go Bears. Take care.